Hello, this is Daniel again for the 6th video, and right now it's about 1:35 in the afternoon. It's getting kind of cloudy and might start to rain. And right now I see these guys still working, and still today is August 8, 2023. And I better see they did a beautiful job on it. Probably they must have painted it and such. I think they actually packed it up and ready to go. Well, let's hope they're actually packing it in. They've been here since 8 o'clock this morning. About nearly 6 hours. I didn't know about it, but I spotted it by accident. That's how I started doing the video. Now what's he's carrying? I see a paper bag. Black bag. They're gonna put some garbage in there. And look at this guy. Yep, he's doing it. Looks pretty cool around like early August. Back to the little ladies tomorrow, and then Thursday we'll start this crap all over again. I love New York. It's wonderful to live in Pennsylvania. Very wonderful. What's that he's pulling in or pulling out? I don't know. Wires, I guess? I don't know. Feels like we're back in early June when it's so cool, when we had a smoke air from Canada. That's when we couldn't go to Knoebels. We couldn't have any fun on account of it. In around early June. I don't expect it to be just getting cool. I was expecting getting kindly a little warm at the time. School's about to be starting pretty soon. Late August in Pennsylvania, and in New York around by September 8th or 7th, if you want to call it. Cars approaching? Yeah. Well, I guess that wraps it up for this 6th part of the April 8, 2023 update at this site. And I'll see you next time when I give you more updates. And please try to comment and subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or the other previous videos at this site. Until then, your cameraman Daniel signing off. I'll see you later for more updates and enjoy more videos. Bye.